Good evening everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on Google Classroom. In this tutorial we'll learn how we can schedule our assignment or questions or even giving the material to the students, how we can schedule them so that the students can actually get the material or the questions in the respective time that you will be scheduling, even the date, time, everything. So what you do is that you can click on this Google Classroom. So I have already created this test class. So I'll go to the class. So here I am showing you the teacher's point of view. So once you have this class, now what you do is that you go to your classroom and you can click on the for your assignment, you click on that plus sign. So once you click on the plus sign, go for the assignment. Now you can give a title. So I can give this test assignment. So I'll give sorry, not rest, it's a test assignment. All right, you can describe your assignment, you can decide your points. Maybe I would like to give only 10 marks for this. This due date, it's the same thing that when the student has to submit. So let's say my student has to submit it by this Saturday. All right, so again, if you want to give specific time, like Saturday we want that the student has to submit it by 12 o'clock, so let's say 12 p.m. so you can do that also. Now this topic is also a very important thing. Why we like to keep our assignments or questions in a particular topic wise, because later when we want to analyze what are the assignments we have given, what are the questions we have given, we can always go topic wise. So let's say I create another. If you want to create a topic, just click over here. Let's say this is practical practical topic, practical assignment, sorry, a right. So I give a name. I'm not bothered about the case sensitivity and all right. So I save it. So here the topic is this. Now in future you can actually choose between, like I already had a theory assignment, you can always choose now. So you have decided all this criteria, but you do not want to give it today. If you want to give it today, you have to click on this arrow key on the top over there, right? So but what you want to do is that we want to schedule it. So for that, what you do is that you click on those three dots, right, and then what you click on this schedule. Now this is very important. So what I want to do is that, because my assignment I have said that it is the due date is on Saturday 23rd, so what I want to do is that I want to give them the assignment one day before. So maybe I would like to give it on 22nd. So that's it. Again, time also you can decide. So I want to schedule it, let's say I want to give it at 10 a.m. fine. So I give OK. So this has been scheduled. So once I click once this schedule has been done, right, so you click on the schedule and this is now scheduled. That means on that particular day, so you can see it's written over there, scheduled Friday 10 a.m. That means on schedule on the Friday 10 a.m. this I'm so sorry, this will be automatically be sent to the student respective, and their due date of the assignment is also like as I said, it is on Saturday. Exactly the same thing you can do it for other things also. Like if I go for a classwork again, and if you want to create a question, same thing. All right, so you just have to go create a question. Now this is helpful when you are taking some test. If you're taking some test and you forget to give the test on the day, but you don't have to worry in this kind of online environment. What you have to do is that just prepare your questions, decide your marks again, by what time they have to submit. Again, what you do is that you click on this one and you click on the schedule. Right now it's not highlighted because I haven't put any question. You must put one question. Let's say this I'll just say this is a this is a question. I'm just question, right? And then I click on this one, and then what you do is again the same thing, schedule. Now here is something that is called save as a draft. Save as a draft is not as schedule. Save as a draft means what, you want to add something in future, then you want to give, then you save it as a draft. That means this is not scheduled. But when you say schedule, you will see date and time comes up exactly the way I have explained before. So when you schedule it, that means on that particular day this question will be given, and immediately whichever due date and whatever marks you will be assigning, it will be accordingly. So rest of the things I have already created a video where you can create these assignments and questions. I have already shown you, but this is important because here we can schedule our, that means we can prepare our class before time and we can keep it there, and then we can use it in our means respective timing. So this is one thing. And another thing that I have query a lot is that how can we create video lectures. Right now this is not scheduled because I have clicked on that arrow. So that means if I click on the arrow, this is already been given today, posted. You can see 7:56 over there written. All right, so that's now. If you don't want, if you made a mistake, just click on delete and that's it. You can do the same thing for other assignments also. Now here you can see this is already scheduled. So this now the I would like to show you one more thing about it. Like if you want to create an assignment, or maybe you want to create a material. All right, so if you want to create a material, right, and you want to create your own video, so what you can do is that you can just click on this attachment, right, and you can see over the options. Just 1 minute. Okay, there is an option, just can you see over there, that is called record a video. The moment you click on this record a video, I will just like to show you a little bit what is happening over there, because this is so let's say I just want to click on this one and I say record a video. The moment I'll see video, so you can see over there, this is, so I'm sorry, you are seeing me. Right, so this is just like as if you will record the video of the person. You can decide which camera you want to use, front and back. You can do that. You can start your recording and then it will be automatically saved in your Google Drive. So once it is being saved in the Google Drive, then it will come as an attachment over here after this topic, and then you can just give it to the student. So this is like if you are creating a live video of yourself doing some sum or maybe some topic that you want to explain in pen and paper. So you can do that by using this attachment, and you can just click on this record video, and this is exactly the same way like the way you record video with your phone. This is the same thing that you have to do. All right, so thank you for this.